Way to go, buddy. Got a piece of that one. That one too. I like it. Chudza, what are you shooting? A buckshot?
No, deer slug.
Deer slug? Okay, let me see.
Hold on to her tight.
Okay, buddy, load it up. Sika bottle.
I'm shooting buckshot out of a Beretta 20 gauge.
At the water bottle?
Yep.
Let me see the water bottle fly.